everybody. It is I, Mary Utter, here for another edition of How'd They Do... Oh, how'd they do that? You're just supposed to get in close, now bonk me, you silly boy. Anyway, it is I, Mary Utter, for How'd They Do That? And today we're going to be talking about how they stripe the streets. It's very exciting. So let's find out how they do that. Here we go. Now the yellow line is either doubled or it has little stripes on it, and they have that so people don't cross over to the other side and make sure that they stay to their side of the road. And oh, here comes a car. Car's got to get out of the road. Here we go. Oh. Now, they're spraying this white line. The white line is called the fog line. So as drivers are driving like this car coming right now, they know how far to go to the right. Hi, that lady waved to me. She must like cows. So that's why they have this white line to make sure people don't go off the road on the right-hand side. Let's keep watching. Come on. Well, folks, as you now see, this is a freshly painted and striped road, and they did such a magnificent job. So now, everybody out there, you now know how they do that. You missed it. How'd they do? Oh, now you got it. You're spot on. This is Mary Utter, everybody, for How'd They Do That, saying we'll see you next time, and move over, girls. Here we go. Woo-hoo. See you next time. Woo.